Day 261 meditation on trauma and suffering. Often the main problem faced by vulnerable people is the lack of emotional support offered by those around them. Kindness, altruism, and compassion could help to relieve their suffering, but they are frequently lacking in our societies, and the victims feel isolated and alone. Nevertheless, it is possible to help them, to talk with them individually or in groups, and to apply different methods to relieve their torment. We should help them to realize that they are not alone, that many other people are in the same situation, and many of those do succeed in overcoming it. Maybe we can talk to them about the suffering or traumas that we ourselves have been through and explain how we managed to overcome them. Happy meditating. It is a choice. Let it go.